And welcome back to Weather Tracker TV. I'm Joshua Wisel with a look at your travel forecast across the United States. And as you can see, we have a lot of activity on the radar, even some travel delays across some major travel hubs. And here's a look at that national radar and travel delays map. There is some delays for the Miami travel hub. We have some delays for the Houston travel hub there as well. Could start to see some delays further to the north into, portions of maybe even the DFW Metroplex if showers and storms move in there. And then, of course, if you're traveling to Oklahoma all the way to Kansas City, there could be some delays there as well, where we have numerous showers and storms from a storm system that's moving in there. So as we move on, here's a look at the turbulence potential. And as we head into the late hours tonight, heavy turbulence is possible in a large portion of the central, northern, and southern plains, possibly even further to the west along the west coast at the LA travel hub, and some low to possible turbulence across a large portion of the southern United States into the Jacksonville travel hub, Memphis, all the way down into Houston. So that's a look at the potential for turbulence there. Some major travel hubs from DFW across the nation. Houston, showers and storms are delaying some flights there. Overall, New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, not a whole lot of weather going on there. Later on, there could be some issues for the LA travel hub. And then, of course, showers are delaying some flights down in the Miami travel hub there and the southeastern United States. So moving on, here's a look at the future radar. And as you can see, there's a lot going on in the central plains into the Midwest, southern plains, all the way down to Miami. We have all the shower and storm activity going on there. So keep in mind there could be some delays as we head into tonight across a couple of those travel hubs from Houston, portions of Oklahoma City, just to the west of Chicago, where showers and storms are going to be possible. Here's a look at that precipitation across the nation today. Heavy rainfall extending from close to the Chicago travel hub all the way down to Midland, Texas, the big country of Texas, Oklahoma City, Kansas City, also seeing some heavy rainfall there as well. Further to the north and west, even some potential for elevated snow. So we're keeping an eye on that as well. Saturday's forecast, if you're traveling across the country, of course, Miami, Florida, all the way down into, southern Texas, it's going to be some nice temperatures in the 80s across those regions. Further to the north and west, it is November. There's going to be some chillier temperatures there in the 50s, maybe even some 40s there as well. So let's go through the progression of the regions for travel today. As you can see, Saturday, northeastern United States, not a whole lot going on there. Some nice conditions, some chillier temperatures there as well. 46 in Burlington, all the way to the Portland, Maine. We're going to be talking about lower 50s. It is November, so those chillier temperatures are starting to set in. Syracuse, 49 there as well. Like we said, not a whole lot going on there. For the south and east, Miami travel hub, Orlando, Jacksonville, there could be some delays just because there's going to be some showers and storms. Temperatures are overall going to be mild to pretty decent across the southeastern United States. We're talking lower to mid 80s across a large portion of that region. For your Midwest forecast for today, of course, like we mentioned, there's going to be some rain, and there's going to be the potential for some heavy rain further to, west of the Chicago travel hub, all the way down through about Oklahoma City. Large area for the potential for rain. Those temperatures are going to be sitting from the 40s to the 60s across this region. Southern Plains, Oklahoma City to Dallas, all the way to Midland, the potential for some heavy rainfall. Of course, some milder temperatures in the 70s, all the way to about almost the 90s for southern Texas. Now, as we make our way to the northwest, rain and snow is possible. Keep it here with Weather Tracker TV for the latest.